Hello and welcome. Welcome to the daily Nifty and Bank Nifty Insights with MJ. Friends, आज है 13th October and we'll be estimating the probable moves, resistance and support levels, buying and selling zones along with a trading plan in Nifty and Bank Nifty for the next trading day जो कि पड़ेगा 14th October को. Friends, if you are new in our YouTube channel, please subscribe the YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon here so that you get latest notification on whichever videos we upload here, and also be generous to share the videos with your friends and trading communities who can be equally benefited from quality knowledge and analysis. Let's look at, friends, Nifty and Bank Nifty charts on daily basis. And if you see today's candle in Nifty, it made a doji kind of candlestick, which shows off indecisiveness. Um, Not only it's indecisive, but it's also within the large candle of yesterday. That means it's gone in a in candle consolidation kind of pattern now, right? Similarly, in a bank Nifty, you see day before was a bearish day, and today also it made a bearish candle. On weekly as well, you could see that both are making spinning top kind of candlestick pattern, which are more or less indecisive. Obviously, after such a vertical rise for more than 2 weeks, markets will be bound to go in a consolidation or correction phase. That's very natural process of the market, so nothing to worry about it. Today markets opened with you know uh, a flat node, taking cues from the global markets. Nifty closed at 11,934.5 with a net gain of 3.55 points, while as Bank Nifty lost 221 points and closed at 23,492. Well, it was at higher level profit booking, which you know made Bank Nifty lose uh, almost 200 plus points, right? Market breadth remained negative. 22 stocks were advancing and 28 stocks of declining from a stack of Nifty 50. अगर candlestick perspective से देखें friends, तो Nifty has made higher low as well as higher lower high, while as Bank Nifty has made lower low as well as lower high. So बैंक निफ्टी में एक छोटा सा रिवर्सल दिख रहा है, बट to confirm whether it is a reversal pattern, you need to view the candlestick tomorrow. If tomorrow also it makes lower low and lower high, we can say that yes, it's a reverse for time being. But Nifty में कोई reversal अभी नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है at this point of time, right? And अगर हम प्राइस एक्शन परस्पेक्टिव से देखें फ्रेंड्स, तो वी कैन से दैट फॉर निफ्टी ऑन द लोअर साइड 11,889, 11,867, 11,852 and 11,805 seem to be four level of supports for tomorrow. So I can say 11,804 on the downside could be the range. On the upside, if I see that 11,988, 12,022 and 12,071 seem to be the upper range. So we can say 12,071 on upside, and on lower side 11,804 could be trading range for Nifty. Similarly, for Bank Nifty, friends, we can see that on a lower side, Bank Nifty has got 23,435 and 23,415. This zone, one support line of Fibonacci level, 61%, and another is a price action support. Below that, if it slips, 21,313 is the next support line. Below that, 23,132 is another support line, right? अगर ये टूटती है friends, then 23,064, which is just a little bit below than that, would be the support level, right? So अगर मैं lower side में देखता हूँ friends, on Bank Nifty I could see that 23,064 could be the lower range. On the upper side, अगर बैंक निफ्टी बुलिश बायस में आएगी कल, तो 23,647, 23,771, 23,955 could be the range on upper side. So this is what seems to be the range for our market tomorrow, right? ये level तक. So upper side में 23,955 seems to be the price action movement. At the end of the day, we'll see how intraday trade uh, could be done tomorrow in Nifty and Bank Nifty both. But before that, let's look at the data points, and for that we'll go to NSE option chain, right? तो किस option chain की बात कर रहे हैं friends? We are talking about the option chain which is uh, expiring on 15th October, right? And since the closing price is 11,934, so 11,950 will be our ATM. So 11,950 के ATM पे we will be seeing what kind of bullish positions or bullish sentiments are available by looking at the put side. So put side में हमारे पास में 11,900 पे अच्छा support है, almost 2.1 million contracts, so that's support one. Below that, then ठीक ठाक support है 11,850 पे, that will act as a support two, and below than that 11,800 पे support 3, and 8,000 11,800 पे friends maximum OI है ये series का. So it seems that this is the support for lower side for tomorrow. Of course अगर ये level टूटते हैं तो then 11,700 11,600 could also be turning out to be good support levels, but उतना दूर शायद हमको जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. At lower levels you can see that put unwinding होना चालू हो गई because the premiums have dropped quite a lot, substantially drop हो गए. And now let's say call side में क्या चल रहा है. Call side में अगर आप देखेंगे friends तो up to 11,800 unwinding हुई है. That means bears ने ये level पे जिन लोगों ने call right की थी उनकी तो हिम्मत टूट चुकी है, so they are unwinding their calls. But 11,900 could be a good resistance if the price slips below 11,900 tomorrow. So I'll consider it as R1. 11,950 could be my R2, and 12,000 could be my R3, because ये जगह पे सबसे ज्यादा open interest है, right? So max open interest. So that means for tomorrow the market seems to be a little range bound. Of course 12,500 पे भी काफी कॉल राइटिंग हुई, बट दीज आर द हेजिंग पोजीशंस, राइट? तो इनको हम कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे सेंटिमेंट्स के पर्सपेक्टिव से. और अगर ये लेवल टूटता है फ्रेंड्स 12,000 का, तो देन यू वुड सी दैट 12,050 is also a good range, क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी 9 लाख कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स हैं, 9.3 lakhs, and 12,100 also seems to be a good resistance, because here also 2.2 million contracts. But considering right now the maximum OI, I can say that 11,800 to 12,000 could be my limit for tomorrow's trades. इसका PCR करीब करीब 0.95 है फ्रेंड, जो कि साइडवेज इंडिकेशन दिखा रहा है. सो ऐसे लगता है 200 पॉइंट के रेंज में निफ्टी कल मूव करते हुए नजर आएगी, राइट? सिमिलरली बैंक निफ्टी का हमने पीसीआर निकाला था 0.71 था, जो कि बियरिश बायस दिखा रहा है, एंड रेंज 23,000 से 24,000 की दिखाई दे रही है. अगर हम फ्रेंड्स प्रोविजनल डेटा की बात करें, आज की डेट में जो प्रोविजनल डेटा हमको FIIs का है, they were net buyers with 832 crore, while as DIs were net seller with almost double the amount, that's 1,674 crore in cash market in equities, right? FIs and retailers are mildly bullish in options today, so more or less neutral stance है वहाँ पे. RSI of Nifty has slightly reduced, but still bullish bias में 60 के ऊपर है. आज का अगर हम RSI देखेंगे तो it's around 68, which is bullish. And for Bank Nifty also, आज although थोड़ा RSI नीचे आया है friends, but still it is in bullish mode, right? तो थोड़ा conflicting है, but इतना profit इतना गेन के बाद में, इतना पॉइंट्स गेन के बाद में थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉफिट बुकिंग तो होनी है. सो it could be just a consolidation and correction on account of profit booking as a natural process. So अगर निफ्टी 11,867 के ऊपर सस्टेन करती फ्रेंड्स, तो 12,100 to 12,200 will be our next target. And अगर निफ्टी 11,867 के नीचे स्लिप करती है, तो देन 11,750 could be the next target. Similarly, बैंक निफ्टी अगर 23,415 के ऊपर सस्टेन करती है तो देन 25,000 इज द टारगेट. और अगर बैंक निफ्टी नीचे स्लिप करती है, लेट्स से विच लेवल, बिलो 23,132, राइट, ये लेवल के नीचे स्लिप करेगी तो देन 22,600 इज द नेक्स्ट टारगेट. सो now in order to conclude, we can say that 11,800 to 12,050 could be the trading range for Nifty, while as 23,100 to 24,000 could be the trading range for Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Now going on a 15-minute chart, friends, let's look at what kind of positions you can have on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Will mark the no trading zone for tomorrow such that you avoid hitting your stop loss. So market काफी volatile चल रही these days. Market कल तो गैप अप चालू होके नीचे आई थी, आज फ्लैट चालू होके ऊपर गई फिर नीचे, राइट. तो अवॉइड करें टू ट्रेड इन 11,889 से 11,950 के रेंज में, राइट. तो निफ्टी इस रेंज में थोड़ा अवॉइड करें. अगर लेट्स से इसके नीचे निफ्टी जाती है, ये मार्क के नीचे, आई वुड से रादर ये लेवल पे 895, 11,895 के नीचे अगर निफ्टी जाती है फ्रेंड्स, तो आप इसको शॉर्ट कर सकते हो और इंट्राडे में 11,950 के ऊपर आप लॉन्ग जा सकते हैं. सो दिस विल बी द स्ट्रेटजी फॉर टुमारो. तो 950 से 988 तक आपका पहला टारगेट होगा, 12,022 सेकंड टारगेट. फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट बुकिंग होगी तो प्रॉफिट अपना आप जनरल मार्केट में प्रॉफिट बुकिंग होगी तो अगर लॉन्ग साइड में हो तो 12,021 में या 22 में आप अपना मोस्टली प्रॉफिट बुक कर लेना. डाउन साइड में अगर ये मार्केट टूटेगी तो देन 11,867 में पार्ट प्रॉफिट बुक करें और 11,852 में बाकी का प्रॉफिट बुक कर लें, राइट. सिमिलरली बैंक निफ्टी में देखते हैं फ्रेंड्स, तो how you can trade Bank Nifty tomorrow. So Bank Nifty 23,415 के नीचे जाती है तो डेफिनेटली आप शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं. योर टारगेट विल बी 23,300 एंड 1,300 पॉइंट यहाँ पे मिलेंगे. अगर ये लेवल टूटेगा, which seems to be easy to break, then 23,132, that means almost आपको 200 पॉइंट और मिल सकते हैं डाउन साइड में. However, अगर बैंक निफ्टी आपको 23,647 के ऊपर जाती है या इवन 23,600 के ऊपर जाती है तो देन 23,771 कुड बी योर नेक्स्ट टारगेट, 120 पॉइंट का. अगर ये लेवल पे आपको बुलिश बायस दिखती है, कंटिन्यूएशन पैटर्न दिखता है, तो आप सारी पोजीशन को कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो 23,955 के लिए. अगर यहाँ पे आपको रिवर्सल दिखता है तो प्रॉफिट बुक करें और शॉर्ट ले लें यहाँ पे. और अगर मार्केट साइडवेज में होती है तो पार्ट प्रॉफिट बुक करें, पार्ट लॉट्स को आप ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस लगाएं एंड अपना प्रॉफिट लॉक करके थोड़ा देर वेट कर सकते हैं. तो मार्केट 12,000 के आसपास में थोड़ा वोलेटाइल होगी बिकॉज दैट्स अ साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल. दैट्स व्हाट्स बीन हैपनिंग लास्ट 2 days and my almost all videos I've been telling you friends to be careful at 12,000 level due to volatility. and domestic market में बहुत ज्यादा क्यूज नहीं है हमारे पास में. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज लोन मोरेटोरियम के इंटरेस्ट के ऊपर जो इंटरेस्ट वाला केस था वापस पोस्टपोन कर दिया है. सो दैट मेड बैंक निफ्टी बियरिश टुडे. अनसर्टेनिटी में मार्केट हमेशा डाउन साइड में जाती है. वॉच आउट क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट, Q2 रिजल्ट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल ईयर 21 फॉर your domestic companies, and for international cues watch out Dow Jones and Nasdaq, right. As an intraday trader, look at option chain data and open interest of futures. That will help you to understand your equities or your FNO. and India Wix as well as USD INR का chart आपको help करेगा to gauge current sentiments of bulls and bears in the market. Friends, I hope with the analysis you're getting benefited and you are using stop losses to trade safely and trailing stop losses to lock your profit. I keep on advising the same. Uh, Thank you very much for watching and liking the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get latest notification. Uh, to learn more about the stocks, derivatives, commodities, forex, you can write in comment box of the video what kind of videos you want us to make for you, right? And there are many videos in our YouTube. You can utilize them to enhance your, knowledge base. And on FB also, you can get connected to us. We keep on posting about the companies and their analysis or the results on FB page. That can also be helpful to you to understand the market and gauge it. Thank you once again for watching and liking the video. Please share the video with your friends and trading communities who can also be benefited from quality analysis. Signing off until the next video. Good luck, happy trading, happy investing, friends.